Hey there, this is John from GetLeadForms. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a calendar widget, such as Calendly or your TidyCal calendar link, into a specific step in your lead form. Now, with GetLeadForms, we do have some custom date and time fields, and what you could do is have somebody go through the form, choose a date and time, and then follow up with them based on their preferred date and time for follow-up. But if you're looking for a more sophisticated calendar system, that's where I would recommend just dropping your Calendly link or embed code right into the form. So let's take a look at how to do this. Here is a form that I have set up. You could either embed your calendar right into a step, or another way to go about this is to qualify the prospect first before you show them your calendar. That's the recommended approach. Typically, you don't want an unqualified prospect to be booking a time on your calendar. So what I would probably do is ask a series of questions, then add a step here at the end, a text block end step, and I would call this qualified book appointment. And then what you can do with a text block step that's a bit more advanced is to get rid of this stuff right here. Simply flip the custom code switch, and then you can add in your Calendly embed code. So this is what you're going to want to use. If you go to this documentation, we'll have the video in here soon, but simply just grab this code right here and then paste it into the HTML block. So the other thing we need to do is insert the Calendly link right in here. So I'm going to go to my calendar, and this would work for TidyCal as well. And here's a calendar that I have set up. I'm going to copy this link. So this is my public link where someone can go and book a time with me. I'll take this. I just want to make sure it works. And then I'm going to paste it into the form where it says insert your calendar URL. And just like that, the calendar has appeared. You can even add some text above it or below it. You can even dynamically pull in a response from a step. So for example, let's say it's like a pest control form and somebody says, selects that they need a termite inspection. You could say, book a time for your termite inspection to make it more personalized to help increase the conversion and get somebody to actually book the time. So the nice thing here is that if they don't follow up, if they don't book a time, then you can still send the lead to both yourself or into your CRM and automatically follow up with somebody with a link to your calendar. So you could say, hey, they didn't book a time, you need to follow up. So that could be really useful. I would definitely keep the send lead button enabled so that way people can still, you can still follow up with somebody in the event that they bail out right here for some reason. So that is how you go about integrating Calendly or TidyCal or another calendar widget to your form. Remember, the key thing here is to use this block of code, which you can find in the help documentation. Calendly has another way of going about this where they provide a JavaScript approach. We do not do that approach. Instead, we simply use this more friendly embed approach, and we have found that it works way better. So hopefully that works for you. If you have any problems or trouble with this, feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help you out. Thank you.